The coconut products production line is one of the most fascinating sites in modern food manufacturing, where nature and technology collide to create something extraordinary. From towering tropical palms to high-speed automated factories, every step feels like a journey of transformation. Watch closely, because the humble coconut is about to reveal a world of innovation and flavor. Imagine thousands of coconuts moving like a river of green and brown treasure, arriving from lush tropical farms to giant processing facilities. Each fruit holds water, milk, oil, fiber, and sweetness, waiting to be unlocked. This incredible industry turns a simple tropical fruit into dozens of valuable products used around the world. What looks like an ordinary coconut is actually a natural powerhouse packed with nutrients, energy, and versatility. Modern production lines reveal how this single fruit can become milk, oil, chips, sugar, and more. The process blends skilled human work with advanced automation to create a mesmerizing industrial symphony. The coconut products production line is impressive for its efficient, large-scale conversion of coconuts into diverse products. It's using a blend of traditional harvesting knowledge and advanced automated machinery. Factories maximize every part of the fruit. Nothing goes to waste in this carefully designed system. Coconuts are harvested for large-scale processing, mainly in tropical regions where warm climates help the trees thrive. Countries such as the Philippines, Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand lead global coconut production. Their plantations stretch across vast landscapes filled with tall, swaying palms. These plantations require careful management, including regular weeding, fertilization, irrigation, and pest control. Healthy coconut trees produce higher quality fruit and ensure a stable supply for factories. Farmers combine traditional farming wisdom with modern agricultural techniques. Harvesting coconuts is often performed manually by skilled climbers who scale the tall palm trees with ropes or climbing belts. With quick precision, they cut mature coconuts and drop them safely to the ground. In more advanced farms, hydraulic lifts and mechanical tools speed up the process. The harvested coconuts are gathered into massive piles before being transported to processing facilities. In regions with rivers or canals, boats carry huge loads of coconuts directly from plantations. This method is efficient and reduces transportation costs significantly. How large wooden or steel boats filled with coconuts slowly travel through tropical waterways toward nearby factories. The site resembles floating mountains of coconuts moving across calm rivers. This natural transportation system has been used for generations. When the boats arrive at factory piers, workers prepare for unloading operations. Cranes, conveyor belts, and sometimes manual labor handle the heavy cargo. The goal is to move coconuts quickly into the processing facility. At the factory dock, coconuts are transferred from boats onto large receiving platforms. Automated conveyors begin carrying them deeper into the production line. This direct delivery system ensures freshness and efficiency. Factories are designed to handle enormous volumes of coconuts every day. Thousands of fruits pass through the system every hour. Precision planning keeps the process smooth and continuous. As coconuts move along conveyors, workers inspect them carefully. Any damaged or low-quality coconuts are removed immediately. This early quality control ensures only the best raw materials continue. Sorting is a crucial stage that protects product quality and safety. Workers quickly examine each coconut for cracks, mold, or defects. Only high-grade coconuts proceed to further processing. After sorting, coconuts are directed to different processing zones within the factory. Some will become coconut milk, others coconut oil, chips, water, or desiccated coconut. Each path uses specialized machines designed for maximum efficiency. The first major step is dehusking, where the thick, fibrous outer shell is removed. Powerful machines strip away the husk while keeping the hard inner shell intact. These fibers are later used for ropes, mats, and eco-friendly products. Next comes the deshelling stage, where the hard shell is cracked open. Mechanical cutters split the coconuts to reveal the white edible flesh inside. This stage transforms the fruit into usable raw material. Workers carefully separate the coconut flesh from the shell pieces. The bright white meat is collected in large containers. Every kilogram will soon be processed into valuable products. The freshly extracted coconut flesh is first cleaned manually. Workers remove shell fragments, fibers, and other impurities. This step ensures that only pure coconut meat moves forward. After manual cleaning, the coconut flesh is placed onto conveyor belts again. The belts carry the pieces to automated washing stations. These systems maintain strict hygiene standards. High-pressure water sprays wash the coconut flesh thoroughly. The jets remove tiny particles and ensure perfect cleanliness. The result is fresh, bright coconut ready for processing. In some production lines, the washed coconut flesh undergoes blanching. The pieces are briefly immersed in hot water or exposed to steam. This sanitizes the product and deactivates spoilage enzymes. Blanching also helps preserve flavor, color, and texture. It prepares the coconut flesh for further processing stages. Quality and food safety are improved significantly. Once sanitized, the coconut flesh moves to shredding machines. Sharp rotating blades cut the meat into small pieces. Different sizes are produced depending on the final product. Fine shredding produces material used for desiccated coconut. Larger pieces may be used for chips or specialty products. Modern machines allow precise control over texture and size. For coconut milk and oil production, shredded coconut is transferred to pressing machines. Hydraulic or screw presses apply intense pressure. This extracts rich coconut milk from the flesh. The extracted coconut milk flows through pipes into collection tanks. From there, it may be filtered, pasteurized, or separated further. Advanced filtration systems improve purity and taste. Coconut cream and coconut oil are separated from the milk through additional processing. Centrifuges or settling tanks help divide the components naturally. Each product is processed for different markets. Desiccated coconut production follows another path. The shredded coconut is spread evenly on drying trays. Industrial dryers remove moisture while preserving flavor. Carefully controlled drying ensures long shelf life. Moisture levels are reduced without damaging nutrients. Final product is light, fragrant, and delicious. To create coconut chips, larger slices of coconut flesh are used instead of fine shreds. These slices are thin but wide. Their shape gives the final product a crunchy texture. The coconut slices are dried slowly in specialized drying chambers. Temperature and airflow are controlled precisely. This creates crispy coconut chips, loved by snack enthusiasts. Drying is one of the most important steps in coconut processing. Too much drying can ruin flavor, while too little can shorten shelf life. Engineers carefully monitor the entire process. Modern factories often use digital sensors to control humidity and temperature. These sensors ensure consistent quality across thousands of batches. Technology greatly improves reliability. Once dried, the coconut products are cooled and prepared for packaging. Cooling prevents condensation and maintains freshness. The products are then ready for distribution. For coconut milk and coconut water, packaging is highly automated. The liquids are pumped into advanced filling machines. These machines handle hundreds of containers per minute. Multiple filling heads dispense precise amounts into cans, bottles, or cartons. Accuracy ensures consistent product weight and quality. Automation reduces human error. After filling, containers move along conveyors to sealing machines. Cans are sealed using seamers, while bottles receive airtight caps. Cartons are folded and sealed automatically. Sealing protects the coconut products from contamination. It also preserves flavor and freshness for long periods. This stage is essential for global shipping. Next comes labeling, where automated machines attach product labels. Each label displays ingredients, nutritional information, and expiration dates. Barcodes are added for tracking and sales. The labeled containers continue along the conveyor system. Machines group them into packs, such as 6 packs or 12 packs. Bulk packaging is also prepared for wholesale markets. Automated case packers place the grouped containers into boxes or crates. These machines work with impressive speed and precision. Workers supervise to ensure accuracy. Once packed, boxes are moved to palletizing stations. Robotic palletizers stack the boxes into large, organized towers. These pallets are easier to transport and store. Stretch wrapping machines cover the pallets with protective plastic film. This stabilizes the load and protects it from dust and damage. The pallets are then labeled for shipping. Forklifts move the finished pallets into warehouse storage areas. Temperature-controlled warehouses maintain product quality. Distribution networks then send products worldwide. Coconut processing also includes the production of natural coconut sugar. This product comes from the sap of coconut palm flowers. The process begins directly on the tree. Skilled harvesters climb coconut trees to reach the flower stalks. Using special knives, they carefully cut small openings. Sweet sap slowly drips from the cuts. Collection containers are attached to the tree to capture the dripping sap. Over several hours, the containers fill with fresh coconut nectar. This nectar is naturally sweet and aromatic. The collected sap is transported to small processing stations. There it begins its transformation into coconut sugar. The process relies on controlled heating. Large cooking pans heat the coconut sap slowly. Water evaporates gradually as the liquid thickens. The aroma becomes richer and more caramel-like. As evaporation continues, the sap turns into a thick golden syrup. Workers stir constantly to prevent burning. This stage requires skill and patience. Eventually, the syrup becomes concentrated enough to crystallize. Continuous stirring encourages the formation of sugar granules. The mixture slowly turns into coconut sugar crystals. The freshly formed coconut sugar is cooled and dried. Its color ranges from golden brown to deep caramel. The flavor is mild, sweet, and slightly nutty. After crystallization, the sugar is transported to a factory. Here it undergoes final processing and refinement. Quality control ensures consistent granule size. Sugar passes through sieving machines that separate uniform crystals. Any large clumps or impurities are removed. It creates a smooth, market-ready product. Automated weighing systems measure precise amounts of coconut sugar. These amounts are packed into bags, jars, or bulk containers. Packaging machines operate continuously. Labels are applied, showing nutritional details and origin information. Coconut sugar is popular as a natural sweetener. Demand for organic varieties continues to grow. The finished sugar packages are boxed and prepared for shipping, and export companies distribute them worldwide. Health-conscious consumers value this natural product. One remarkable feature of the coconut industry is zero-waste production. Nearly every part of the coconut is used. This makes the industry environmentally friendly. Coconut husks are processed into core fiber. Core is used for ropes, carpets, brushes, and gardening materials. It is strong, biodegradable, and sustainable. Coconut shells are also valuable. They can be turned into charcoal, activated carbon, or decorative crafts. Many industries rely on shell-based products. Even coconut water that was once discarded is now bottled as a popular beverage. It is rich in electrolytes and nutrients. This product has become a global health trend. Modern coconut factories integrate robotics and digital monitoring systems. Computers track production efficiency and quality metrics. Smart factories increase productivity dramatically. Some facilities also use renewable energy, such as biomass from coconut waste. This reduces environmental impact. Sustainable production is becoming a major focus. Research continues to discover new uses for coconut ingredients. Scientists are developing coconut-based cosmetics, biofuels, and plant-based foods. Innovation keeps the industry evolving. Plant-based milk alternatives made from coconut are now popular worldwide. They're used in coffee, cooking, and desserts. Demand continues to rise rapidly. Coconut oil has also gained attention in health and beauty industries. It is used in cooking, skincare, and hair products. Its versatility increases market value. Factories constantly upgrade equipment to improve speed and hygiene. Stainless steel machinery and automated cleaning systems maintain strict standards. Food safety remains a top priority. Quality laboratories test coconut products regularly. Samples are analyzed for purity, moisture, and microbial safety. These tests ensure international compliance. Global logistics networks distribute coconut products to supermarkets everywhere. Ships, trucks, and airplanes carry the goods across continents. The coconut truly becomes a global product. Behind every packaged coconut product lies a massive, coordinated system. Farmers, harvesters, engineers, and factory workers all play vital roles. Their teamwork powers the industry. What began as fruit growing on tropical trees becomes food, beverages, sweets, oils, and fibers. The journey from tree to product is complex and fascinating. Each step adds value and quality. The coconut industry shows how traditional agriculture and modern technology can work together. Innovation improves efficiency while respecting natural resources. This balance drives sustainable growth. As global demand increases, New technologies continue improving production lines. Automation, robotics, and smart sensors are transforming factories. The future of coconut processing looks even more advanced. From towering palm trees to automated packaging lines, the story of coconut production is truly remarkable. It demonstrates how a simple fruit can power entire industries. Every coconut carries the potential for countless creations.